Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with our new chapter number 6, ratio and proportion. So, I am going to start with giving the introduction for the chapter. So, in this chapter, ratio. So, what is ratio? You had already gone through, you might have already gone through it in before class, but giving a small introduction to it, ratio is comparing of two or more same type of quantities or a number. Yeah, what does this means? The same type of quantity, like you can compare weight with weight, means 2 kg with 5 kg, like weight of one Ram with the weight of Sham, weight of Arpita with the weight of Harshita. Okay, means you can compare the weight of two people, you can compare the height of two people, you can compare the money that two people have, means you can compare money and money with the money, weight with the weight, height with the height. Okay, number of toffees with the number of toffees, whatever you may think, but you have to compare the same type of thing with the other same type of thing. Okay, like weight of Ram is equals to 6 kg, 61 kg, and weight of Rahul is 40 kg. Make it 60 kg. Okay, so ratio of weights, that is weight of Ram upon weight of Rahul. We are comparing the weight of Ram and Rahul, that is 3/2, means ratio of weight of Ram and Rahul is 3/2, means if the weight of Ram is 3 kg, then weight of Rahul will be 2 kg. If weight of Ram will be 6 kg, means like I have written 3/2. Okay, means this is for Ram and this is for Rahul. Okay, you have to maintain the ratio. Yeah, means if Ram equals to 3 kg, then Rahul will be 2 kg. If you double the weight of Ram, means 3 into 2 kg, that is 6 kg, then Rahul will be also, you have multiplied it with 2, so here also you will multiply it with 2, that is 4 kg. Okay, now if we compare 6 and 4, 6/4 is also 3/2. 6/4 is also 3/2. Okay, 3/2 is the fraction, and we can write this as 3:2. Okay, 3:2 is the ratio. Here 3:2 was the ratio, means if Ram is 3 kg, then Rahul will be 2 kg. If Ram is 6 kg, Rahul will be 4 kg. If Ram is 3 into 5, that is 15 kg, then Rahul will be 2 into 5, that is 10 kg. Okay, this is our first thing, this is second, and this is third. Means if the Ram's weight is 15 kg, Rahul will be 10 kg. If we compare, means 3/2 was equals to 6/4. Yeah, 6/5, when we will deduct it, we will get back again 3/2. This is like same like equivalent fractions also. Okay, if we try to cut it off, we will again get 3/2. That is 3:2. Okay, means fraction is just like, sorry, ratio is just like a fraction, and any fraction like here, any fraction can be written as, can be expressed in the terms of ratio. What did I say? Ratio is a fraction and any fraction can be expressed as ratio. Yeah, means if 4/5 is a fraction, yeah, it can be written as 4:5. This is ratio. Yeah, and always remember, ratio has no unit. Means here it was 60 kg upon 40 kg. This kg and kg were cut off here. Yeah, we always compare the same type of quantity, means kg with kg, gram with gram, meter with meter, centimeter with centimeter, 5 years with 15 years, means years with years, days with days, hours with hours, second with seconds, money with money, means rupees with rupees. Okay, whatever unit you are taking, you will take the second quantity also in the same unit, and when we will divide it, when we will write it in the terms of fraction, their units will be cut off. That is, always remember, ratio has no unit. Yeah, ratio has no unit. Like we are given an example that money that Geeta has equals to, take it, 70 rupees. Money that Raj has is equals to rupees 30. Okay, we have to find ratio of money that Geeta and Raj has. Okay, so what will be the solution here? Money with Geeta upon money with Raj. Doing this, we will get the ratio of money that both have, that is 7/3, that is 7:3. Means if Geeta has rupees 7, then Raj will have rupees 3. Means every 7 rupee that Geeta has, to every that 7 rupee, Raj will have 3 rupees. Here it was 70 rupees and here it was 30 rupees. Rupees and rupees will be cutted. Here it has no unit. As I said that Geeta if Geeta has rupees 7, then Raj will have rupees 3. That every 7 rupee that Geeta will get, Raj will get rupee 3. That is if now if Geeta has rupees 7 into 4, okay, that is 28 rupees, then Raj will also get the money in the same multiple, that is rupees 3 into 4, that is Raj will have rupees 12 with him. Always they will be having the money in the same ratio, always remember. Means if we try to divide 28 by 12, you will again get back 7 upon 3. Okay, like told before here, when you multiply with the same stuff, same number, means the Ram and here Ram and Rahul had the money in the same fraction, that is same ratio. Whatever multiple we are taking here, the same multiple will be taken for the Rahul too. In the same way, whatever multiple we are taking here with the Geeta, the same multiple we will be taking with the Raj as well. Okay, it is just like a equivalent fraction. To maintain that fraction, to maintain that ratio, we have to multiply that with the same number on both the sides. We have to take the numbers, we have to take the weight, you have to take the height or something we are comparing in the same multiple. Okay, so this was your basics for the chapter ratio.